so pretty, girl, you belong in a gallery. What's your fantasy?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia Shanice, and today's video is going to be on Wiggins hair. This is the box that it came in. Of course, it came in within about 3 to 5 business days, but we're going to jump right into this video. Alright, so the wig that I received today is a 16-inch 13 by 4 curly wig. I'm just going to open it up. And it does come in like a Ziploc bag, so you can reuse it. I'll just put this over to the side. This is the wig, and it's still in a hairnet, so I'm just going to remove that. But everything is packaged very nicely. Like, it's not actually easy to take the net off because it's actually really tough. But this is the hairline. The hairline is pre-plucked, like very plucked, not a little bit of pluck, but very plucked. It looks so good. So I'm just take all the paper off and the net so we can get a up close look of it. And I do believe this wig is a Jerry curly. As you can see, it's very full. Very full. All right, and I'm gonna just take all of this off, and I believe it does have an HD lace on it. So for all my HD lace girlies, you already know what that means. Flawless installs. So this is what the hair looks like, and this is a 200% density wig, so you're gonna get full on top of full. But let's get a close-up of the actual lace. You can see it, and I'm gonna probably go back and bleach the knots, but it does have really small knots on the wig. It really has small knots, but I am gonna just bleach the knots. But the hairline is very plucked, so I'm not gonna pluck it at all. As you can see, it does come in a middle part already, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in the middle part. I may try it, but y'all know I'm a side part girl, but you never know. You never know. New day, whatever, y'all finish your rest. But yeah, so on this wig you do have the elastic band. This elastic band is not adjustable, but it's very tight and snug. You also have the combs on the wig as well. You have 2 combs on the side, and you also have a comb at the bottom of the wig. This wig that was sent is a medium-sized wig, so that is about average regular size, like 22.5. So it's gonna fit really good. I'm just going to demonstrate exactly what it looks like on me. And also, I do want to mention it does have the adjustable elastic straps at the bottom. So I'm just going to put the wig on. Oh, this actually looks really good without even doing anything to it. Okay, so it is about a little bit past my shoulders, but this looks so good. It looks so natural, you could possibly wear this glueless. If you can just do your baby hairs, tie it down and make it very secure, you could possibly do it glueless. But I may put a little bit of glue on it, maybe just 1 layer, because I don't really like too much glue in the summer times. But the lace and everything on this looks so good, like really good. You know, and with it being HD lace, you know, look at it. That looks so good, and it's not even all the way finished. Okay, Wiggins, they might have something. So of course, this is like a free part right now. I love big hair, but I'm gonna show y'all exactly how it looks wet, give y'all the wet look, and then dry it up, and then we'll be good to go. So let's keep watching and check out my next clip. Okay, so I just want to come back and mention that this lace and stuff is so HD. Like, you can see my actual wig cap through it. Do y'all see that? Like, that's my wig cap. That lets you know how HD and how good of a lace this wig is. So if you don't have the HD wig caps, make sure you get that. If not, you know, they definitely put it in the box for you, so you don't have any excuse. Definitely add that to it, but it's so HD, you can see the whole wig cap through it. So make sure you have everything together, and yes.